has pushed the boundaries of high image quality for professional cameras and filmmaking. Our aim has always been to enable creators to faithfully convey the images in their mind. Sony 8K conveys the beauty of an image like never before. By referencing its unique 8K database, it performs optimized, ultra-high-definition image processing. All your contents are upscaled in 8K quality detail. High-intensity, independently controlled LED modules provide precise control, from the deepest shadow to the brightest light. Energy use is intelligently allocated across the LED modules, boosting the brightest parts of the image and also creating even deeper blacks. Even high-speed movement is clear without blur as it maintains optimal brightness. Picture Processor X1 Ultimate. It brings home ultimate realism. Colors stay bright and true even when viewed from an angle. Sound from the center of the screen in perfect alignment with the images themselves. Creator's intent. Sony brings the creator's vision into your home, so nothing comes between you and their story. Sony brings you the ultimate viewing experience.
Looks amazing, doesn't it? That's Dolby Vision. It brings entertainment to life with incredible color, contrast, and brightness. And now your entertainment experience is perfect for any room and every moment. Dolby Vision IQ intelligently optimizes your TV to deliver a perfect picture for the content you love, in the place you love it most. Dolby Vision IQ uses Dolby Vision dynamic metadata and the ambient light sensors inside the TV to detect how bright or dark the room is, intelligently displaying every detail of your content so it looks its absolute best. This feature can also inform the TV of the content type, so that when you switch channels from snowy white to something darker, the TV modifies settings to ensure images are displayed exactly as they should be. Without Dolby Vision metadata, generic TVs are just making broad guesses, rather than intelligent scene-by-scene optimizations. But with Dolby Vision, you see things just the way the creator intended it.
Real OLED 8K. Largest OLED. The wonder of LG OLED. Now in 8K.